For easy installation of the Dr. Mercola Fluoride Removal Full Spectrum Under-Counter Water Filter, all necessary parts and accessories to complete setup have been included. Included in the package is a water filter housing, a full spectrum filter, a faucet, a user manual, installation hardware, a wall mount bracket, 4 wall mount brackets, 2 white inlet hoses, a housing wrench, an angle stop adapter. Step 1. Faucet location. Use an existing soap dispenser hole or drill a 1/2-inch hole in the sink or countertop where you plan on installing your faucet. Step 2. Install the faucet above the counter. Slide the chrome-plated metal flange and the large rubber washer onto the threaded mounting shaft of the faucet. Insert the threaded mounting shaft of the faucet through the 1/2-inch hole at the sink. Step 3. Secure faucet to sink under counter. From under the counter, install the plastic washer, then the small rubber washer onto the threaded mounting shaft. Thread the lock washer into the threaded mounting shaft. Thread the locking nut onto the threaded mounting shaft and tighten to secure the faucet to the sink. Step 4. Install the angle stop adapter to a cold water line. When installing the angle stop adapter to the cold water line, you may need to use the adapter and Teflon tape. Turn off the cold water. Install the T-valve. Make sure the T-valve is turned to the off position. Leave the cold water off until the installation is complete. Step 5. Install the tubing from the angle stop adapter to the full spectrum water filter housing. Screw in quick connect inlet fittings into both sides of the full spectrum water filter housing lid. Using a sharp knife and the tubing provided, carefully cut the tubing to the proper length to connect the angle stop adapter to the full spectrum water filter canister. Insert one end of the tubing into the quick connect fitting on the angle stop adapter and the other end into the quick connect fitting labeled in on the full spectrum under counter water filter houser lid. Step 6. Install tubing from full spectrum water filter housing to the faucet. Using the tubing provided, cut the length of tubing needed to connect the full spectrum water filter faucet. Insert one end of the tubing into the quick connect fitting on the full spectrum water filter housing lid labeled out. Thread the faucet connector onto the faucet shaft. Hand tighten it. Grasp the end of the tubing from the full spectrum water filter housing and insert tubing into the quick connect fitting of the faucet connector. Press firmly to ensure proper connection. To test, give it a gentle tug. Step 7. Flushing the full spectrum water filter. Turn the source of water on, then open the blue valve on the angle stop adapter. Turn on the full spectrum water filter faucet and allow water to run for 1 to 2 minutes to flush the filter or until the water runs clear. During this time, check all connections for leaks. Note that the water may be cloudy from carbon dust when a new replacement filter is installed or when existing filter has not been used for an extended period of time, about 3 weeks. This is normal. Be sure to sufficiently flush your new filter before filtering water to drink. Step 8. Activating the battery. The full spectrum water filter faucet comes with the battery pre-installed. To activate the battery, simply pull the plastic tab on the faucet handle. The battery is now activated and the LED will flash blue, yellow, yellow, blue. Using the included mounting bracket and screws, the housing canister can be hung on the cabinet wall. Mounting the housing canister is optional. It can help save space, but it will make changing the existing filter with the replacement filter more difficult. If the full spectrum water filter unit is not being mounted, it can stand on the cabinet door or on the canister's lid for more stability. Note: if mounting the filter, only mount into a side wall of the cabinet. After ensuring there are no water lines running behind the side wall of the cabinet, the wall mount bracket can be installed. Do not mount to the back wall of the cabinet as screws could puncture water lines. Operating instructions. Hold a glass, water bottle, or container under the full spectrum water filter faucet and turn the handle to start the flow of water. LED indicator flashes blue during operation. Turn the handle on the faucet back to the resting position to stop the flow of water. Cleaning the faucet. It is very important to use warm, soapy water and a soft sponge or cloth for routine maintenance and care. If used with hard water, it is necessary to clean and dry faucet immediately after every use. Avoid cleaning with chemicals, solvents, or harsh detergents, as this may result in scratches to the finish. LED filter life indicator. It is a good idea to change the battery when you replace the filter. LED flashing blue means it is on normal operation. LED flashing yellow means there is 25 gallons left until the filter expires. LED flashing red means the filter needs to be changed. LED not flashing means the battery needs to be changed. Note: when replacing the battery alone, never press the filter life reset button. The faucet has an internal memory and will remember the life of the existing filter. Note: when it is time to change the water filter, use full spectrum under-counter water filter replacement filters only. Do not try to clean or reuse expired filters. This will cause filtered water to become recontaminated with harmful bacteria. Replacing the filter. To replace the filter, use the housing wrench to twist open the filter's housing canister. Slide the wrench up onto the housing canister, then hold the housing lid with one hand while turning the wrench clockwise or towards you with the other to open. Note: if the housing canister is mounted, range of motion may be limited. You will need to unmount the canister before proceeding with replacing the filter. Remove the expired filter and install the new filter in its place. Position correctly by following the direction of the sticker on the replacement filter that says, "This end must face lid." Remove the sticker prior to installing. Replace the housing lid and tighten with your hands first. Then use the filter wrench to properly close. Do not over-tighten, but ensure it is properly closed to prevent leaking and water damage. If the tubing was removed, reinstall by inserting the end of the tubing firmly into the quick connect fitting. Give it a tug to ensure proper installation. Installing and replacing battery. Remove the battery holder by grasping the black rubber located on the faucet handle with your fingers and pull out. Remove the old battery and dispose of it properly. Install a new battery, ensuring that the positive side is facing out. The LED will flash blue, yellow, yellow, blue. Reinsert the battery holder into the faucet with the positive side of the battery facing out. To test, turn the faucet on. LED should flash blue. Resetting LED filter life indicator. To reset the LED after replacing the filter, remove the battery holder from the faucet and press and hold the reset button labeled SW1 for 3 seconds. The light will blink red, blue, red. If the light is not blinking when the faucet is turned on with water flowing, the battery has died. The faucet has an internal memory and will not lose information about your filter's life. Once the battery has been replaced, the LED will begin to blink blue. Note: when replacing the filter, we recommend also replacing the battery at the same time. However, this is not always necessary. If the LED does not blink blue when the faucet is turned on and water is running, this indicates that the battery has died or may be improperly installed. Please reinstall or replace the battery. For any questions or for placing an order for fluoride removal full spectrum under-counter water filters, contact Mercola customer service at 877-985-2695. Thank you for choosing Dr. Mercola Fluoride Removal Full Spectrum Under-Counter Water Filter.